Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to replace image in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Replacing an image in Adobe Express is quick and easy. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or the design that you wanted to replace an image. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands of inspiring designs to begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content from scratch, just click this button right here. Now, I'm working with this specific design and I wanted to replace this image right here. Now you have multiple ways for you to do it. Number one option is going to be right click, and there should be an option that says replace. All right, it's very easy. If you do that, you would be forwarded to this section wherein you can upload from your own device to your computer, search in your local directory, and replace the photo. But if you want, you can also use the featured free photos here. For example, I'm going to be choosing this one instead. You see that? It's very easy. You can choose any of these. You can randomly choose any photo that you want as a replacement to the image that you wanted to. But in my case, if you watch one of our video about creating your brand or using your brand here in Adobe Express, just click the brand, go to the assets section wherein you can use any of the following photos for it to be replaced. All right, so that's the easiest way for you to replace image here in Adobe Express. For example, we're going to add another one from the media itself. Right, so I'm going to add maybe this one as the small cat right here. Now, instead of clicking the replace button, you just have to click the delete button right here. Delete it, and of course you can choose another photo right here. And from this instance, I was able to replace that image earlier and just kind of drag the photo right here, making sure that everything is placed perfectly. All right, the idea is that if you want to refresh the outdated or seasonal content with new images to keep designs relevant, or if you want to align images with updated branding guidelines such as your new logo, for example, all right, or colors or themes, after that you might want to go again to the media and search for the all and type in maybe background so we can place all the elements blended together here in Adobe Express. Say for example this one. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.